First, add your 2 eggs to the microwave-safe bowl. Then break the yolks. Next, I like to add a little bit of milk. However, milk is not necessary. Now add some salt and pepper, then stir vigorously. Time to put it into the microwave for 45 seconds. The times may vary based on your microwave. At this point, take the eggs out and stir them up again. Then place them back into the microwave for an additional 45 seconds. Your eggs are now ready to enjoy.